Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a black on red 1956 Thunderbird loaded up with options. We got Sal here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. So how are we doing today?
Very good.
Cool.
Good.
So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, the car is running in excellent shape. The motor has got about 5,000 miles on the rebuilt.
Cool.
Brakes are good, tires are good. Very nice riding car on the road.
Pretty loaded up too. You got the wide whites Continental Kit, which I forgot to push in. That's fine. Air conditioning.
Air conditioning.
Power steering. Got tons of documents too. All kinds of receipts. Original sales order. Wire wheels. And stunning with the black and the red, you know.
It's a beautiful car.
Really nice.
Turns a lot of head when you're driving.
We have a soft top. It's white. Porthole hard top, which is very rare. AM/FM radio. The 312 has a dress-up kit. Also, that's on the build sheet. Just gleaming in the sun, huh? Sal, can you fire it up?
Sure.
Also has added seat belts. Guess it didn't come with seat belts back then. Automatic transmission. Just have all the specs for the motor build. Sounds great, Sal. You pop the hood? The other side. There you go. We've got the dress-up kit on here. Brand new battery. Converted to a 12-volt system also. Very correct. There's manifolds. The pump looks new. Power steering.
Shut off by itself?
Yeah, you can turn it back on though. Looks like new cap and wires. Love the thin valve covers. There's your air conditioning. It was a cold start. Runs fine. Here's the hard top stand. It's on wheels. Casters with locks. Beautiful interior. I think the idle's just maybe a little low. Showing 43,924 miles. Clock is right twice a day. I don't think the radio works. Yeah, that does not work. We also have added gauges here. Real good oil pressure. 60 pounds.
All this has been replaced.
Over here? Okay.
This is all new.
All right.
All interior has been replaced. All the glass on the interior has been replaced.
These wind wings look new. Very nice.
Yeah.
Just ticking away like a sewing machine, huh?
Yeah.
That was in 1955, right? Crazy. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. We appreciate it. You can also check out more pictures and information on our main website. It's WheebyAutos.com. Give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. Thank you.